With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. In this question, what is given? For spherical symmetric charge distribution, variation of electric potential with distance from center is given as to be V equals to Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R naught for R less than R naught, and V equals Q divided by 4 pi epsilon R for R greater than equal to R naught, and this is the variation which has been shown. So for R equals to R naught, potential value is constant, and after R greater than R naught, it is decreasing with a, so it is inversely proportional to R, so it is decreasing like this. Okay, now this could be a distribution for, it can be a distribution, can be a distribution it can be distribution for what? It can be distribution either for a shell or conducting sphere. Okay, conducting sphere. By the diagram we can see, because inside there is no potential, so the potential is 0, that means electric field, sorry, potential is constant, therefore electric field would be 0. So that means there is no charge inside this location, okay, inside at R less than R naught. Okay, so it would be a case of either the shell or conducting sphere. Now we need to find which of the option is the correct. Now total charge within 2R R naught is given as R naught. So in the first part, in the first statement, it is given as for R equals to twice of radius. Okay, twice of radius R naught. The charge is Q. So is this right or wrong? So this statement is true. Why? Because if, for example, if this is our spherical shell, okay, if this is our spherical shell of radius R naught, the radius is R naught. Now if we are outside this shell, okay, at a distance of 2 R naught, so here it is given as to be, radial distance is given as to be 2 R naught. Okay, so whole charge would be inside this shell, so we can say that first statement is a true statement. That means it is correct. Now total electrostatic energy for R less than R naught is non-zero. Okay, that means inside this for R less than 2 R naught, sorry, inside this 2 R naught, it is not equal to 0. So in the second part, we know that electrostatic energy, basically we can say that potential energy would be equals to Q into dV, or the change in potential. Okay, multiplied by the change in potential. Let's say from the surface, we are moving from the surface up to a point at a radial distance R naught, so we can say that it would be Q, then V at the surface, we just write the value, final value would be at 2 R naught minus initial value, we say that initial value at R naught. Now this value, if we see from the graph itself, now at 2 R naught would be something here, it is the location 2 R naught. So the value of the potential at 2 R naught and the value of the potential at R naught, whether they are same or unsame, so they are not same. So that means this term would not be equal to 0. If this is not equal to 0, then potential would not be equal to 0, electrostatic potential energy. That means second option is also true. Now at R equals to R naught, electric field is discontinuous. Okay, now at R equals to R naught, in the C part, in the third case, now here just before R naught, to the left of R naught, okay, to the left of R naught, we can see electric field. We know electric field is given as, electric field is equals to minus dV by dr. Now in this diagram, just at R less than R naught, okay, what is V? V is constant, V is equals to constant. Okay, V is constant. Now V is constant, so we can say that our E would be what? Differentiation of a constant thing, that would be 0. That means electric field would be 0. Now if we take R greater than R naught, if we take R greater than R naught, that means for this portion just to the right of this R, sorry, just to the right of R, we are taking the distance R naught, that means the this R naught is the capital radius, that means radius. So here we see that potential variation is 1 by R, so we can say that it would be some constant time divided by R. Now if we take E value, so it would be minus C divided by R square. Now this value is not 0, because R would not be infinity, because it would be 0 when R is infinity. That means there is a discontinuity from 0 value to a certain value. That means this is a correct statement. It is a discontinuous, electric field is discontinuous. Now there will be no charge except R less than R naught. Okay, so it is given that there will be no charge, so we can just see in this case. Now if there is a if this is a conducting sphere, where will be the charge? Charge will be at the distance of what? R equals to R naught. So that means here the statement which is given that there will be no charge except at r less than r naught. That means inside this is wrong. Why? Because if this is a spherical cavity, then the charge would be residing exactly at r equals to r naught. So this statement is wrong. So what are the correct statement? 1, 2 and 3. So what would be the correct option? A is the correct option. Hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.